Here we are, big VW rat rod. I'm at you again. Just a little short one, which I'll tack onto another video tomorrow probably. But I'm just at you now. We've been cleaning up, done a couple of bits on Andy's square back. Got his new beam in there. Well, rested in there. It will be a bit of fettling to get that to fit properly. That's what we've been doing that this morning, or Andy was, while I was doing this. I've worked out and put a metal frame across there, going down to there. The holes are drilled so I can just spot weld the pieces in, and it's going to literally come up there and box it in the rear of the cab area, in the cabin. So that'll be a bit warmer rather than having that bloody growl there. And then trim, I've got to trim a bit more off there, I believe, to make it, because that bit's longer than that one. It's throwing me out. We're looking at it. It's measured it, it's exactly the same, but just looking at it is visually hurting my brain. So, yeah, so there's that bit, which I'll probably weld up tomorrow when I come out again. There to there. There's some steel kind of donated. There's that one. It's, yeah, I'm well pleased. Done some more work. I sat in the car today with the stool, and actually, it felt right. It felt I was at home. So, anyway, film some more tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Cheers. Bye. Oh yeah, big VW rat rod. For me missus, my mother and my father are moaning that I've got gloves and a hat on, the scarf, mask, whatever you want to call it. But you should always wear PPE. Always. Because they're always telling me off. So I thought I'd have to do it just to see if it makes any difference. It's just making it, oh my God, it's making it more awkward to see and do everything. Oh, well, let's have a go. Let's see what happens. See what this lark's about, eh? Oh, not good there. Still not good, but try again. Oh, he's fucking there. Oh, they've tried. Like me. You never know, I might get a catch in it. That might work out better. Oh, back. You never know. Try a different one. Hey! Yeah. Is that better for them? They love it. I feel Dillman. It's ideal. Sorted. See you in a minute. Right, here's part 3. The same video. I've actually made up my frame inside now. Goes around there, along there, up that side, and then all the way along there. And that's that bit in, so I've just literally got plate over that, and then that's all hidden out of the way. Some wonderful grinding work and some wonderful seam sealer. We'll have that looking like it's just come out the factory. So we're sorted with that. As you see, I still got my PPE there, my gloves and my helmet, so I'm sorted. So that's how I've been wearing it, I've been using it, so there we go. Right, but that's today's work done. So I'll be back here again tomorrow, and hopefully I might even be able to get that plated in and then start working out the plates for that side. But yeah, it'll be cool. So, time for bed yet? Knackered. Right, on that note, I shall see you on the next one. Well, probably see you tomorrow. Alright? Just remember, we're getting there. Next bit of this video, a big hole. And in a minute, when we come back, well, fingers crossed, it won't be a big hole. See you in a minute. And here we are, the final piece. I have that panel all welded in. So the back, I've got a few bits obviously around the edges to finish off. But that is pretty much the back end sorted. Got a nice panel there now. It looks really good. And on the inside, well pleased. And I love the strengthening bit of the edge of the drum. In the middle of the drum. That's ideal. Oh, that's a big, big headache. Out of the way. So, finish off that bit. Finish off that bit. Get that door repaired and welded on. And then just tidy up everything else and a little bit down there. And we're all done. Well, I say all done. There's a lot more to go. I mean, look. But a bit along the top of that dash on the inside, where it's been sat for so long, and right again. It's got to do. But as I always say, we're getting there. And that's the video for this week. All done. And I'll see you on the next one. And just remember, we're getting there.